Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be discussing about Bitcoin. It's finally time to break all-time high. Are we gonna go and blast off this resistance, or we're gonna have now a pullback and a crash? Of course, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. By the way, my name is Andrea. I'm a professional crypto trader, and today I'm gonna help you to understand what Bitcoin could be doing next. I would like to start today with the macro picture of Bitcoin to show you the potential scenario we could be experiencing in the next few months until November, December 2024. There are so many bullish catalysts which could be seen. For example, the win of Donald Trump as a president. Another bullish catalyst is going to be the Fed potentially cutting interest rates on November 7th. Of course, whenever the Fed cut interest rates, is going to be super positive. And all of this could be contributing to help to ignite the Bitcoin all-time high. Of course, it's not going to be a straight line up to our all-time high, new all-time high target, but could be some bumps on the way. But it looks that everything is poised to start to go and have a nice rally. What I'm quite, I would say, interested in right now is the fact that whenever we measure, whenever we utilize, for example, some tools like our Fibonacci extension over here, for example, brings you a target of around 90k, 87 to 90k. Whenever I'm connecting these 2 points over here from 2021, bring it over here, brings me around 87, 88,000. Whenever I'm bringing this pole of this potential bull flag, brings me a target of 88. So everything looks towards the a potential target. Again, even taking from here to here, to here to here, of a local new blow off top target all-time high to 88k by the end of November 2024. And also this will be in line with the RSI getting into a overbought area on the weekly chart. Why this is very, very relevant, guys, and why I'm expecting after this a short-term pullback. Very, very simple. Is the fact that, first of all, going to this level over here is going to be a significant resistance. After the election of Donald Trump, I could be seeing a sell-off. And also by looking at the RSI, we could be seeing a potential bearish divergence in place. The reason why I still don't believe that Bitcoin is not finished with this top is the fact that the RSI still hasn't shown a proper bearish divergence. And in this case over here, you could be going up to this area over here, forming a bearish divergence, which then, of course, with the price going high this way, this one going down, could be making absolute sense. So right now, that's what I'm expecting it could be happening, which is quite remarkable. And of course, guys, I don't think it's going to go up in a straight line. I'm going to show you right now what can be happening short term, and I'm going to be potential bumps on the way, maybe some correction, some drops, pumps, and so much more. And of course, guys, if you're not prepared to take the advantage of shorting and longing the market every day, twice a week, 3 times a week, and make money, even if BTC goes down or goes up, you're gonna miss out on amazing opportunities. Unlike our VIP group, guys, our VIP group, our premium service, what we do, we analyze Bitcoin and altcoins every single day like crazy. You can see the amount of details on these charts over here. We also offer trading calls by myself and also by my other professional members. You can see the accuracy of these calls over here, guys, and the results talk for themselves. You can see, for example, I was calling yesterday for a Solana long with the entry one at 150.6, 151, and the trading results, of course, are over here, 23.33%. You can see yesterday at 549. And look at our other members, guys, 85%, 20%, 85%. Look at the results from the other member guy. Every single day we are making money. We have one of the highest winning rate in trade. So if you really want to be in a community where you can make money every day and have lots of trading ideas, 4 or 5 trading ideas every single day. Also, if you are an investor and you want to really understand how to, these coins are going to go crazy 5, 10, 20x from here, guys, join the VIP group. Look at the accuracy where we do our analysis. So if you want to join, guys, link in the description. Now let's talk about BTC short term, what to expect from here. What is going to be very important right now, although I am quite bullish, is the fact that BTC has to break this line over here. We're still fluctuating right now around $67,200. And what I would like to see would be a beautiful impulse to the upside, potentially reaching the previous all-time high, which was at $73,000. Until we're going to be below this line over here, we're not going to go anywhere. From a technical structural point of view, what I also would like to see is going to be a little retest to the downside. BTC has been going up like crazy, and right now I would like to see a short-term consolidation before going higher. And the reason being is the fact that market makers will have to take some liquidity out of the market, recharge the batteries to then create a bigger impulse. So from here, what I could be expecting could be maybe today, little bit of pump until the New York session, United States, and then consolidation from here, short-term rebound around maybe $64,000, and then a blast off to the upside. And what I would like to see Bitcoin is to respect this line of support over here, maybe going down to this area over here, sorry, a little bit higher here, down to here around 64K, and then from here, boom, boom, you're gonna see something like this. I'm gonna show you also a little bit more intraday, what's happening right now. You can see lots of indicators right now are getting exhausted. So from this point over here, I could be seeing maybe Bitcoin maybe reaching up to this area over here. But at the moment, you can see that we are in a sort of an ascending channel. You can see the ascending channel coming from this area over here, and Bitcoin is just pretty much following this ascending channel, which is going up and down like this. So what I would like to see from here is going to be ideally a drop to the downside from here, maybe a little correction down to this area over here, sitting at $64,200 down to here, and then a continuation to the upside from here. That would be a very healthy pullback for a continuation to the upside. And of course, if we're going to break this level over here, then we could be actually going down lower. And how low we could go to? Well, very, very simple. You can connect this to this one over here, and then it brings you exactly the point where BTC could go down to. It could be even as low as $57,600. But short term, right now, what I can see from here, guys, even looking at our liquidity heat map, you can see there is lots of noise around the $64,000 area. And I wouldn't be surprised if BTC today during the New York session might take maybe the 67,000 first and then bring it down to $64,000. So again, to go long and short, the VIP group already knows when to get in and when to get out, to go short or long and make money. So that's what I think about with BTC, guys. Very important for you to remember. Have a look at the channel. The channel is pretty much your friend. Trend is your friend. Right now, it's still into an ascending channel. You can see very well from here. And what you want to see is pretty much when it's going to be able to break this channel. When it breaks this channel, then it's going to flash a little bit more, maybe down to here. But if it's going to go here and then have a rebound, it's going to continue to go higher. But again, short and long, you can play with this channel over here. Very important. Next one, guys, which makes me very, very bullish about crypto, is the fact that the Bitcoin dominance is rising compared to every other altcoins. And why this is bullish, guys? This is very, very bullish because whenever Bitcoin has done a previous blow off top in the past, you can see even from 2020, the Bitcoin dominance kept rising until Bitcoin went up to $42,000, $45,000, and it broke a new all-time high. So what we want to see right now from here is going to be a retracement up to this golden pocket area, Fibonacci retracement at 60%. And you can see that what is quite remarkable, like I was saying before, if you listen to what I had to say before on the macro picture, I think I already canceled it, but I was saying that around the 18th of November, Bitcoin should have been around 88K. And what is quite funny is the fact that if you connect these two lines over here, and then you bring them here, it gives you as well a Bitcoin dominance peak at 60% or dominance and 61% Fibonacci retracement, which means that if BTC is going to continue rising like that, altcoins are not going to do anything, but BTC could be going up to 85 to $90,000. And then it's going to be extremely bullish. Why? Because once this dominance is going to start to break, Bitcoin could consolidate, and then altcoins from here, guys, are going to go crazy. So I would say that until the end of November, Bitcoin should be continue to go higher. And of course, altcoins are going to stall. And then once we break this level, go down to maybe 50%, 40%, whatever you want to call it, our season is going to start. And of course, altcoins are going to go crazy. Another thing which makes me very bullish, of course, DXY dollar currency index. You can see this is the measurement of the strength of the US dollar compared to other currencies, is on a corrective wave. And what we could be seeing could be just a drop down to here, 95 to 96, potentially by the end of January 2025. And this, whenever this one goes down, guys, crypto goes up. So very, very good for this DXY. The last one I want to show you as well, very important. This is the S&P 500. S&P 500, what we want to see as well from here. We saw yesterday I don't want to say a big, but a little bit of a sell-off. We saw that market makers started to sell, and we also can observe a little bit of a correction from here. S&P 500 as well is into a channel, ascending channel, very similar to anything else, Bitcoin and crypto. And right now, what I could be seeing is that we're going to top up around this area over here. So if we can, I guess, predict by the end of the year, we should be being like around this area over here, around 6,300. But what I want to see from now until the middle of November is going to be S&P 500 to stall a little bit. If you have a look at the previous, in 2020, when BTC made its all-time high, we saw the S&P 500 stalling a little bit. So I would be happy, to be honest, if we're going to see S&P 500 to go down to this area over here, stall a little bit, and then blast off later on, maybe at the end of the year, while Bitcoin is going to correct. Simply because by doing that, you're going to see all the money coming from the stock market into crypto. Because if the money is all into the stock market, Bitcoin can go higher. But if you're going to have the money taken away from the major indexes and put them into Bitcoin and crypto, then we could see a big pump. So guys, to summarize everything, things look pretty good. We can see BTC is still very, very strong. But again, be very careful about this previous resistance. Is still there. We still haven't broken the resistance. We are about to, looks very, very close. But I also would like to urge you of a possibility of another drop. Okay, seasonality is saying that we're gonna go higher. Everything is poised for a beautiful bullish breakout, but also we could be having, just always think about, as a trader, as an investor, of the possibility of a last breakdown to here and then up this way. This is possible. It's unlikely, but it's possible, and I would like you to be careful when you watch this. Guys, thank you so much. And also, if you are interested in understanding more about crypto and learn how to make money, what you can do, you can go on my website and watch a free training I just designed for you on how to make 20+% per month utilizing my strategy, the FTA $1 million strategy, only in under 4 hours per week, guys. That's the only thing you need. It's a free training, 15 minutes to show you why my strategy is superior to anything else. And also, for those of you who want to join the VIP group, lots of people want to join it. If you're interested, you can come on the website, link in the description below as well. There is a little teaser over here. And also, don't forget, we also have the trading results around here. 5 or 6 months of trading results that you can watch from here to show you what we can achieve with the VIP group. Guys, thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.